If your coilover collars are coming loose and you want a clean way to secure your suspension settings, these locking collars are the upgrade. The K-Tuned Billet Locking Collars. On hard-driven cars, vibration, heat cycles, and repeated suspension load can cause standard collars to back off over time. This is especially true with MacPherson Strut-style cars because the strut turns along with the steering, putting much more twisting force on the springs and collars. Available in standard lock style and spring perch style, they replace the original coilover collars and give you a more secure way to lock your suspension settings in place. Installation works just like a regular collar. Thread the collar onto the coilover body, tighten it down with a spanner wrench, and once it's snug, tighten the stainless steel side bolt to secure it in position. Because the collar locks itself in place, you don't need to run a second collar underneath to keep it from backing off. On this RSX application, our MacPherson Strut coilovers use a collar above and below the steering knuckle. With the locking collar design, you can secure the knuckle more positively and help reduce the chance of the collars loosening under hard use. They're made from high-grade aluminum with a side-split design that allows the collar to clamp tightly around the coilover body. These only fit K-Tuned coilovers with MacPherson Strut suspension layouts. Get yours now at k-tuned.com.